Welcome to our Learning is Expanding series, an integrated curriculum for core day and expanded learning brought to you by the San Diego County Office of Education. This is Cooking with Culture. For this project, your students are going to create a written blog piece that incorporates culture and heritage through the means of cooking and storytelling. Before we get into the curriculum, let's take a look at the supplies and resources you'll need for this project. Now let's break this curriculum down by day. On Monday, we will start by thinking about how recipes connect to our culture. For Tuesday, students will have the opportunity to learn about the history of food. Moving into Wednesday, we will learn about social justice through recipes. On Thursday, students will learn how to blog and practice a peer critique in class. Finally, on Friday, we will publish our blogs about social justice issues highlighted by our recipes. Before we wrap, make sure to check out the unit plans for detailed information, lesson plans, your list of supplies, and vital resources to help activate your own learning. Remember, whether it's connecting teachers and expanded learning practitioners through awesome projects or fostering student wonder and creativity, one thing we know for sure is that learning is expanding. Enjoy your project, and we look forward to collaborating with you again soon.